Good afternoon. It's May 15th, 2023, and today we're looking at a range day. Um, not a lot of trades in here. Again, as usual, we'll take a second look, and see if there's something I like, but just not a really great day today. So in here, I was looking at this as a very strong trend down. So maybe you take like this one, you might have started from here too. That makes it look like a midline, but then you would have to drag it down here. So really you might have it. Yeah, I don't think that's it. I think this is the trend channel. I think you have a break, a couple legs down to a new low before it reverses. So this looked like a strong move down with all these dojis, but once you recognize it, the strength is gone. So anyway, we made a leg up in the overnight, and that pretty much created the range we traded within. Find some congestion, and that brings us to 5 o'clock about here. And right as 5 o'clock hits, it just reverses uh, into the open. And yeah, we get a break. You get a double test right here, actually like a triple test, but you just don't get a signal bar. And so if this was a good signal bar, I would say take it. But it's not. And we come down here and you get a second entry short. And I mean, I don't know. It looks like we already made a new low, but it looks like the trend is continuing. This is a strong move down. So maybe you get another one. I think this one is worth taking a chance to test these lows. And you can see we go right below it before we fail in reverse. If this was a higher low, I would mark that as green, but it's not. And I don't think you can take that. Perhaps you do, though. There's just so much overlap there. And we're just trending higher. We get a break. Second entry. Second entry, but signal bar's no good. So when you get this higher low, I like this because it breaks higher. If it was made a triple top, I don't think you want to take that, but I do like this because it breaks higher. And we get a new high, and then we just go sideways. And you do get a double test right here, but there's no room back to the EMA. So actually it looks like there's 5 ticks exactly. So if you see all that, maybe you take it for 4 ticks, but not the greatest entry, especially since the bias is up, because we just tested these lows. So we might test these highs. That's exactly what happened. And you get this move up. You get a break, couple legs up to a new high, and then you get this lower high. Only problem is this really, it looks like congestion to me. And you got a few dojis in there, so I'm not crazy about this one. But definitely something you might consider. And you can see a lot of people like that. And we come down and we just bottom out at this level of support. Then you get a pretty strong move up. Looks like this. Break, move to a new high, and then you get this second entry, but this is all congestion too. And we already have a break and a move to a new high, so you just want to wait here, and you just don't get any setups. See, this is pretty. This is tempting, but we just broke, and you might get a second leg down. If we get a higher low, I would say jump in on that because it looks like we have a spike in channel here. So not a whole lot today. Hopefully tomorrow has some more opportunities. So have a great day. I'll be back tomorrow.